Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.
Project name is Build the circuit using sample and hold amplifier. Check the flat top sampled signal. Guide name is Gaikwad Madam. Team members name Mayur Shinde, Rohan Madne, Mihir Jagtap. Introduction. A sample and hold circuit, sometimes represent as SH circuit or S and H circuit, is usually used with an analog to digital converters to sample the input analog signal and hold the sampled signal, hence the name sample and hold. The SH circuit, the analog signal is sampled for a short interval of time, usually in the range of 10 microsecond to 1 microsecond. After this, the sampled value is held until the arrival of next input signal to be sampled. The duration for holding the sample will be usually between few milliseconds to few seconds. The following image shows a simple block diagram of a typical sample and hold circuit. This is a circuit diagram. Working. The working of sample and hold circuit can be easily understood with the help of working of components. The main components which a simple and hold circuit involves in an N-channel type MOSFET, a capacitor to store and hold the electric charge, and a high precautions operational amplifier. The N-channel enhancement MOSFET will be used a switching element. The input voltage is applied through its drain terminal and control voltage will be applied through its gate terminal. When the positive pulse of the control voltage is applied, MOSFET will be switched on state and it acts as a closed switch on the country. When the control voltage is 0, then the MOSFET will be switched to off state and acts as the open switch. When the MOSFET acts as a closed switch, then the analog signal applied to it through the drain terminal will be fed to the capacitor. The capacitor will then charge to its peak value. When the MOSFET switch is opened, then the capacitor stops charging. Due to the high impedance operational amplifier connected at the end of the circuit, the capacitor will experience high impedance. Due to this, it cannot be get discharged. This is the wave diagram. The main and important advantages of typical ESC circuit is the air-to-analog to digital conversion process by holding the sample analog input voltage. In multi-channel ADCs, where synchronization between different channels is important in ESC circuit, can help by sampling analog signals from all the channels at the same time. In multiplex circuit, the crosstalk can be reduced with an SH circuit. Application. Operator time TAP. The operator time can be defined as the time required by the capacitor to change its state for sampling to holding due to the progression delay of switches. Even after the hold command is given, the capacitor still keeps on charging for the short duration of time. This is nothing but aperture time voltage drop. The voltage drop is the voltage drop down in the capacitor due to leakage of charge by a capacitor delay. We require capacitor which do not process any leakage, but it is not possible practically. No matter how good quality material we use, there will be some voltage drop. Hold mode setting timer. After the generation of hold commands, the analog input voltage edge switch is used by the capacitor for charging. Takes some time to settle completely. This is called hold mode setting time.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.